All right, guys, happy Friday. I thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video or I post something in my community tab. I'm hoping to get into some more posts and videos here in the near future. Got a few Christmas DIYs that I want to put together. It's just been a bit hard. I don't have a craft area, so I'm actually in my kitchen right now. So yeah, so hopefully the angle is not too bad and you can see everything and hear me. If you hear any noise in the background, I moved, if you didn't know, and I am now near a main intersection or a main street, so we get a lot of noise from like the street and stuff. So sorry about that in advance. I am participating in the homemade Gingy DIYs that is hosted by Sarah over at Jujubee DIY and Jackie over at Crafting in Mimi's World. Thank you guys so much for hosting. I love gingerbread, and it's actually going to be my theme in my home this year. I always have some gingerbread, but this year I think it's going to be everywhere, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in the living room. It's going to be everywhere. So definitely going to be adding these. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And again, if you're coming over here from the playlist, welcome. Thank you so much. I hope you stick around and enjoy this DIY. It's very, very simple, and I'm not going to bore you with the painting. So I did get these two pieces from the Dollar Tree. They are part of the Cobblestone Corners collection. These are new. I mean, they've had the little trucks before, but not necessarily from this collection that they have. And these are a little bit bigger and they're plastic. I know the cobblestone corners that they have are a little bit like smaller scale, but I really love these pieces, but I don't love red. So I got these, and then what I did was I used this ceramic coat from Hobby Lobby. It's the Spice Brown color. It is pretty close to gingerbread color. I usually add a little bit of white and it kind of tones it down a little bit. But this go round, I just went ahead and used just this paint and I turned them into this. So what you're going to see me do is decorate them. And I was able to get the tree off after I discovered it as I was painting it, and I was using my heat gun to dry it up. I didn't paint all of it. I just didn't want all of it showing. So I'll probably take, oh, it doesn't even need it. But yeah, I was able to take this out so I could get inside the bed of the truck. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using some of this dimensional fabric paint. I've got this from the Dollar Tree. They have them periodically, so I always grab a couple. I have so many of them. So, and this one is the Tulip brand, which I also got at the Dollar Tree, which they, like I said, they have occasionally. So I'm just going to show you how I decorated these and kind of talk a little bit as I'm doing it, just to kind of take up some time while, while I'm decorating. And I may try and stay as close to like what is on here. Maybe, I'm not sure. Just kind of keep the colors a little bit as consistent as possible. I'm not sure just yet, but I will, try my best. And excuse me, I had bronchitis there for a long time and it's finally starting to clear up, but not completely. So bear with me and my coughing and clearing my throat, which is probably going to happen quite a bit. So here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and start decorating. And, I love doing Christmas decorations. That's probably one of my favorite seasons holidays is Christmas. Now, of course, we know the real reason is Jesus, but it is so fun decorating, in the gingerbread and all the different, it's just so much fun. So please know that I'm not taking away from the real meaning of Christmas. We celebrate, and we do celebrate Jesus on Christmas because, of course, that is, what Christmas is about, but like I said, it's just so much fun, and it just kind of keeps things, you know, for the kids, keeps it a little bit more fun and interesting and just something to look forward to. So we definitely, you know, celebrate Christmas for the real meaning and just enjoy kind of the fun parts of the decorating and whatnot. So most of the what you call it, what is this? Most of the trailer and whatnot, I am going to keep, you know, gingerbread color, I guess, if you want to say that. But, you know, I'm just going to add, oh, that was not cute. Most, you know, I'm just going to kind of decorate a little bit with the fabric paint and give it a little bit of texture and whatnot. But you can do whatever you want. If you have like those little candies and little embellishments that you want to use, you can always add those. I just want to kind of keep it simple, and I don't want my son pulling the candies off of it. So I'm not going to add any candy or anything like that to this, just because I know him and I know that, yeah, we would have missing pieces, so to speak. So like I said, I'm just going to kind of decorate around, and again, you can do whatever you want. It's yours, so you can decorate it however you want and add whatever you want to it, make it look however you want. You can make it pastel if that's what your Christmas decor colors are. You can, you know, make it more colorful. I kind of want to just keep it as simple, I guess, as possible without it being too plain, you know. But again, you can do whatever you want. And I've seen so many people using like this fabric paint and puffy paint and what have you to decorate. And I've had this for so long and I never used it for this. I never once even thought to use it for some reason. And this has like a little piece on the top that's supposed to be like snow along the chimney. So I'm just kind of filling it in a little bit, using up quite a bit of the puffy paint or fabric paint or whatever it's supposed to be. And again, I don't know what I want to do. Like, do I want to add more color to it? I think I'm just going to take the white and kind of frame the windows here. I do not have a steady hand, unfortunately, for some things, but like stuff like this, I don't know, do I get nervous? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Probably isn't going to look perfect, and that's okay. I'm not here for perfection. I'm going to line the door with the white. And then I'm going to make the little wreath right here. I'm actually going to put it up here. It's not perfect, but ooh, this one's kind of chunky. Okay. I actually kind of just like it just like that. And should I put, I have black, but I don't know if I want to use black. I kind of like how simple that is, and it's cute. And of course you can, you know, decorate all the sides. You can do whatever you want. I don't know if I'm just going to display it from the front, but maybe I'll add, you know, more of the frosting like to the back and what have you. Excuse me. So, then I'm going to put this in here so I can kind of see what I'm working with here. And again, I might end up hot gluing this, but it kind of fits in there okay, so I'm not really too worried about it. I think what I want to do is fill in the inside of the wheel there. Yeah. And actually, I could have made that peppermint. Maybe I'll do that on the other side. Let's, if I would have been thinking, I can still do it. I can add that. So yeah, we'll do that. So I'm going to put some along the edge here. Fill that in a little bit. don't know where else I want to put it. Maybe up front here. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. Oops. Let's see. Fill this in with the white. And again, I might end up making that more of a, like a peppermint once this dries up a little bit. Kind of messed up there. Fix it a little bit there. Oops, I scraped it off. It's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna put some more on the back here. Oh no. Catch it before it dries. Go. And can you see me? I'm sorry. I don't even know if I'm in frame here. But yeah, I've got a lot of stuff planned out. So I'm hoping and praying that, you know, I can get everything out. Show you guys all the things that I have planned. Sorry, I keep going out of camera shot there, I'm sure. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that's fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. I think that looks good. I think that looks good. So maybe we can add some like lights to the tree, you know? Give it a little bit of color, decor, you know? I'm heavy-handed apparently. Alright, let's get the red, the yellow. Add some of that in there. Just trying to make them little circles, but apparently Melissa is too heavy-handed for all of that. That looks cute. Okay, do I want to put some white up here? I think I do. Let's see. I don't even know where to grab it from. Maybe I'll just leave it there. I'll just leave it there and do this. Just kind of. Oh, there's my dog. My dog. Put some on the edges here. See how shaky my hand is? My goodness. Or like how unsteady I am. It's okay. It's frosting, so, you know, it's all right. I think that looks good. I think that's good. Oh, we gotta fill that up a little bit more there. And I don't know how long this stuff takes to dry. It says about 4 hours, so we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll do this. This. I guess I can do the other sides too, huh? Let's see. Put some here and on top of here. Oops. Color that in. And then put some up here like that. This one doesn't have to be colored, but we can do that. All right. I think that looks good. We can again do this. Kind of outline it like you would a gingerbread cookie. I think it looks cute. So that is it, guys. I told you it was going to be simple and easy. You can get all the little pieces from the Dollar Tree and gingerbread them up, anything that you find, or it doesn't even have to be from the Dollar Tree. It can be from anywhere. You find yourself a cute little decorative item that you want to, turn into gingerbread. Get yourself some gingerbread colored paint. And if you can't find Spice Brown, I know Jackie uses a different color. I can't remember the name of it. I'm sure she'll probably use it in her video. So be sure to check everyone out, get some more ideas. And Dollar Tree has a brown that if you add some white to it, It makes perfect gingerbread color. That's usually what I use, but my stuff is in storage, so I had to use what I had available to me. And this one was pretty close, so that's what I use. But that is it, guys. Be sure to check out the playlist, check out everybody's channels and their videos. And that is it. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.